My name is Rafael Fering. I'm the product manager for Soto, our latest product for supplying small load carriers to production. Most product lines in industry are already very highly automated, but the upstream and downstream processes are still manual. This is because there is often poor visibility in these processes. And that is precisely where Soto fills the gap. By retrieving small load carriers from the warehouse and bringing them to the assembly station, the Soto drives into the warehouse, where it picks up one or more small load carriers and places them in its backpack. It then drives all the way back to the assembly station and deposits the small load carriers there. Soto is the only product we know that combines the 3 steps of gripping, transporting, and delivering at the assembly station in a single vehicle. Firstly, we have integrated into it 3 Microscan 3 safety laser scanners. These are used for the purposes of safety, as well as localization and navigation. We have also incorporated safety light curtains from SICK to prevent persons from interfering with the robot while it is moving. We also use incremental encoders, and we recently added the Visionary T Mini as a 3D camera as well. The collaboration between Magazino and SICK was very pleasant, and we have a long shared history. In the complex world where people move about, SICK supports us in building a robot that reliably perceives its environment and is able to work well alongside people.